I broke my own work plateau. So I would say, well, I full time online and I dropped out of university. I feel like ever since I dropped out, I wasn't all in. Like I wasn't giving it 1,000% effort. And I think the reason for that was something I discovered recently, which is when I was dropping out. Um, it was actually the first time in my life where I was giving something 100% for like that extended period of time. But also that period of my life sucked ass. It was terrible. So I had this association of work, like going all in, and just feeling terrible. So there was nothing in the outside world that was good enough for me to want to go through that again. So it's like, I'm kind of chilling, bro. Like, there's no real reason um, I would have to feel this bad on like a day to day. What the hell did anyway? So it's just decoupling these things, where it's like, it's just choices. That's all it is. It's just waking up on time, fucking making these videos better, which I still have to do. Which I think I'm figuring out why I'm not doing it. Anyway, and then just working more, tracking my time. It doesn't have to suck. And then past few days, things have been picking up, and I feel better. I feel like I'm getting the fire back. I'm like understanding it more, which is very good. All right, bye.